ฐานគ្រឹះវេយ្យាករណ៍ភាសាអង់គ្លេសនៅក្នុងមេរៀននេះសន្មតថាចប់តែត្រឹមណែមេរៀនយើងគឺបង្រៀនគ្រប់ប្រភេទនៃវេយ្យាករណ៍ទាំងអស់ជាពិសេសគឺមូលដ្ឋានគ្រឹះវេយ្យាករណ៍ភាសាអង់គ្លេសសម្រាប់បងប្អូនទើបនឹងចាប់ផ្ដើមរៀន
Hello everyone. Okay, today we study about will and going to. Okay, all the features will and going to. Okay, I'll show you some more about this. Okay, now we study more about will and going to. And will is used to express about the futures decided a future action decided at the moment of speaking. Okay, will is used to express about action decided at the moment of speaking. បាទគឺថាយើងប្រើ will នេះគឺដើម្បីបញ្ជាក់អំពីអនាគតណាដែលយើងកំពុងតែដែលយើងសម្រេចចិត្តនៅពេលឥឡូវ will is used to express a future action decided at the moment. Okay, now look at its examples. Examples. Will is going. I will go now. I will go now. I will go now. Okay, this is we express about the future action, but we decided at the moment of speaking. I'll go now. Wait a moment, I'll eat now. Wait a moment, I will eat now. Wait a moment, I will eat now. Wait a moment, I'll eat now. I will have a salad now. I will have a salad now. I will have a salad now. They mean that immediate decision. They mean that immediate decision mean I'll eat now. Wait, I'll eat now. Wait a moment, I'll going now. Wait a moment, I'll eat now. I will have a salad now. They all mean immediate decision. We decision at the move. We make a decision at the moment of speaking. Okay, do you understand that? Okay, I hope you all understand about this. I will go now. We decision now at the moment of speaking. Is that I will go. I'll eat now. Mean at that time you call me, please come. Okay, you say I'll eat now. I will have a salad now. So all this we decided at the moment of speaking. Okay, now we continue our lesson. Okay, this time we use going to. Going to express the future plan decided before at the moment of speaking. Going to express the future plan decided before the moment of speaking. Okay, so going to we express the plans, our plans about tomorrow, about in the afternoon, about tomorrow. So we decide it's just the plan, but we decided at before at the moment of speaking. Okay, now we look at our example all together. Okay, I'm going to visit my mother next month. Sorry, I'm going to visit my mother next Monday. I'm going to visit my mother next Monday. So we decided before I tell you, for example, like I decided before. So this time I tell you, I'm going to visit my mother next Monday. So we decided before at the moment of speaking. I'm going to visit my mother next Monday. I'm going to visit my mother next Monday. Okay. Okay. Shara is going to have dinner with my family next Friday. Sarah is going to have dinner with my family next Monday. Next Friday, sorry. Sarah is going to have dinner with my family next Friday. Sarah is going to have dinner with my family next Friday. I'm going to buy some books tomorrow. My hands are very dirty. I'm going to wash them. My hands are very dirty. I'm going to wash them. My hands are very dirty. I'm going to wash them. Will express the prediction based on personal opinion or experience. Will express the prediction based on personal opinion or experience. Okay, now look at our example altogether. I think England will win the game. I think England will win the game. So we just predict, we just uh, thinking that England will win the game. Okay, the predictions. I don't think it will rain this afternoon. I don't think it will rain the afternoon because we look at the cloud, it's so clear, so we think it will not rain this afternoon, yeah? I don't think it will rain this afternoon. Okay, I think the weather will be nice later. I think the weather will be nice later. So when we look at the clouds or something that we can predict, so that the weather will change soon. So we say, I think the weather will be nice later. Okay, so this time we use will to express about the prediction based on personal opinion or experience that we used to know. Okay, something that used to happen that we say, yeah. Okay, so I hope you could understand so this, and please subscribe and share my videos to your friend or your classmate. Okay, please subscribe my channel to get more new videos if you like it. And thank you so much. So now we continue our lesson. This time we use going to. Okay, how is going to express a prediction based on the present evidence. Okay, so this time we use going to express a prediction based on the present evidence. Okay, we already knows about will express the prediction based on personal opinion or experience. So now we use going to express a prediction based on the present evidence. Okay, so we continue all together. Look at the black clouds, it's going to rain. Look at the black clouds, it's going to rain. Look at the black clouds, it's going to rain. Look at the black clouds, it's going to rain. So we look at the clouds, so it's very dark, it's very black, so we think it will rain. So the evidence we can see now, yeah, the present evidence, so we can see the black clouds, so we say it's going to rain. It will rain soon. Yeah, it's going to rain. We are going to be late. We are going to be late. The meeting starts in 5 minutes and it takes 15 minutes to get here. We are going to be late. The meeting starts in 5 minutes and it takes 15 minutes to get here. So now we have time only 15 minutes, only 5 minutes, but we have to take 15 minutes to get there. So we are going to be late. So the meeting is start in 5 minutes later. Yeah. So we have to travel, or we have to make a trip. We have to spend our time like 15 minutes to get there, to get to the meeting. So we are late. We are going to be late. The meeting is start in 5 minutes and it takes 15 minutes to get there. We are going to be late. The meeting start in 5 minutes and it takes 15 minutes to get there. Okay, we'll express about fact future. Will express a future fact. Okay, now we'll express a future fact. Okay, look at example altogether. I hope you all understand about this. Okay, will. Okay, always talking about the future moment. Will express a future fact. The sun will rise tomorrow. 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 He will start at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. He will start school at 7 o'clock. He will start school at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. He will be 20 years old in June. 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 Okay. So now we use going to. Going to express that something is about happen. Going to express about something is about happen. Going to express about something is going to happen. Okay, now we look at the example altogether. Get back, the bomb is going to explode. Get back, the bomb is going to explode. Get back, the bomb is going to explode. អូខេមានន័យថាត្រឡប់មកវិញណាក្របបែកនឹងផ្ទុះឥឡូវហើយ Get back, the bomb is going to explode. Okay, the second example. Tom is in a hospital. I'm going to visit her tomorrow. Tom is in a hospital. I'm going to visit her tomorrow. If we say like this, sometime we're going to visit her. Okay, Tom is in a hospital. I'm going to visit her tomorrow. I think the weather's going to be nice later. I think the weather's going to be nice later. I think the weather's going to be nice later. Thank you so much for watching our videos and our lesson. I hope to see you later. Okay, please subscribe and share my channel. Okay.
សេរវេយ្យាករណ៍ជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសសរសេរពាក្យអង់គ្លេសបានត្រឹមត្រូវនោះសូមមេត្តាជួយចុច Subscribe Channel របស់យើងខ្ញុំដើម្បីទទួលបានវីដេអូថ្មីៗបន្ថែមទៀតបាទសូមអរគុណ